Hey y'all, it's your girl Tiana Gonna Be Me, and today I am coming at you with something quick for dinner. Today what I'm making is some chicken breast with Alfredo sauce and maybe some spinach in it or some broccoli with some mashed potatoes, and that's it. So what you're gonna have to do is, okay, my chicken is already washed and everything. I'm just about to season up my chicken breast, and we're just gonna go ahead on and get it going. Alright, so in my pan over here, only thing I'm about to add is a little oil. And y'all, I already cut my potatoes and boiled them with the skin on, and they already tender, ready to go. While my potatoes is boiling, I go ahead on and add a little salt to them. Black pepper, just a little basic little seasoning. We just want to give it some good flavor. You know, so whatever seasonings that you want to use, that's what you use on yours, okay? And then I'm just gonna take just a little pinch of salt and go right on top of it. And that is it for the chicken. Now what I'm about to do is, we just gonna pan sear these chicken breasts until they is done all the way through. Alright, so now we about to get us a little sauce going for those mashed potatoes. So what we're going to do is we're going to make us a creamy garlicky sauce to go on those mashed potatoes. So I'm going to take a stick of butter, but this is margarine, y'all. Margarine, butter, whatever. And then I'm going to take some garlic and I'm going to add it right in here with this butter. And we're going to let this cook and like brown up together. And some oil for your pan and your potatoes. Whatever kind of potatoes you want to use, whether they're red potatoes or if they're going to be just plain white potatoes. And white potatoes is what I have used. Okay, we're going to get this butter all cooked down and browned up and everything. And then I'm just going to take some cream cheese and I'm going to get it off in here when this get the browning. Add as much of the cream cheese as you like. So just take what I'm giving you and go from there, okay? Just go with my ingredients and you're gonna be alright. But I'm gonna cook this chicken down low enough, and I'm not gonna keep turning my chicken with no fork. I'm gonna give you some tongs because we don't do dry chicken over here, y'all. You know, to keep from drying them out. So it's only gonna take a few minutes to get this where I want it at. And listen, don't cook this too fast because you don't want to mess up your pan, because we're going to make our sauce add the sauce and everything to the chicken, and the spinach and all that going to be added all in this one pan, y'all. Alright, y'all, so now the garlic and the butter is getting to the point where it's starting to brown. And the liquid that was, you know how margarine it have water in it. So the water, it pretty much cooked out. So now we down to the butter. Alright, so now to this, what we're going to add is some of this cream cheese. So I'm going to get me some. You just add as much as you want to add. I'm going to add probably about, it just depends on how much of that creaminess that you want. So I added about half of this here block of cream cheese, and I'm just gonna get that worked in. See that brown color to the to that garlic? You want brown, not burnt. So we're just gonna get this here worked on in. Just like that. And you can add you some half and half to this, or some heavy cream or something like that. We're gonna take this chicken out, y'all, and we're gonna let this rest. And now we're gonna add the sauce to the pan now. We're gonna get this spinach and add it right on in there. So I'm gonna get this right here sauteed off in this oil that's in the pan. It's already there. Okay. Pour right on in now. Like that. And then we're just going to get that there. Heat it up and mix the rind, y'all. That's going to be good. You can cut the chicken up. I just thought about it. I said, nope, I ain't going to cut them up. I'm just going to take them and sit them right down in there. Just like that. The juice and all. Get it right back in that pan. Now we're just going to let this simmer right here in this sauce. And we're going to just turn that down on low because that's pretty much done now. All right. So now back over here to this sauce. I took my heavy cream and I heated it up a little bit to get it going, y'all. Okay, so now I'm just going to take this cream and add it to this cream cheese and garlic and butter mixture. And now we're just going to let this here come together and finish melting that cream cheese. And then this is what we're going to pour over them potatoes, y'all. So I'm going to let this finish cooking down, melting down until it get creamy. And so now I'm just going to take some parsley. Y'all know Miss Parsley got to come to this food family reunion. Honey, bring some color, child. Y'all already know. So you're going to throw you some parsley off up in there to make it pretty. Like so. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. So I'm not going to add no kind of salt or nothing like that to that. But I am going to add a little bit of pepper. Going to add some pepper. And I'm going to add some of this bacon. That's why I say I'm not going to need them no more salt. So we're going to add as much bacon bits as you want to this. And you make, what I was going to say was, you can make your bacon homemade if you want to. That's up to you. But I ain't got time for that. And I love to buy ready-made bacon bits, y'all. Because we use them on anything and everything we need it for. Alright, so that's going to be a good old sauce. When that bacon flavor get all off up in there, honey. So we're going to finish this here. Let that finish melting down and coming together so that they'll be ready for the potato. It'll be ready for the potatoes. Alright, y'all. So now we're going to get these potatoes. We're just going to put them right here in this bowl. And we're just going to mash those potatoes down. I like my potatoes to still have little lumps in it. Especially when they homemade mashed potatoes, y'all. Okay? You can't go wrong with homemade mashed potatoes. They got hunks in it and stuff. So, get these potatoes, your potatoes, and just get them mashed down. Skin and all. I like it with the skin in it too. So, the skin and all. Get that mashed on in. Hold on, Grandma. Hold on 1 second. All right, so we got that mashed down enough. So now I'm about to take this cream sauce and add it to the potato. All right, y'all. So, okay, family. So now take the cream sauce and add it to those potatoes. Like that. And I put it in this bowl because this is the bowl we're going to store it in when it's time to put it all up. So now you're just going to get your cream sauce mixed into those potatoes. Y'all. Ooh, y'all, these potatoes. Y'all, look at that. Ooh, baby. I can't wait till my family to try this right here. Tell me what it tastes like. And if y'all try this, y'all better not forget to tell me what y'all think about these mashed potatoes now. Okay. Alright, so I'm going to get this right home and get it mashed a little bit more. And I'm going to taste it for my salt. Oh, another thing I want to add. We're going to add some of this chicken seasoning, y'all. Just a little bit. And that's going to be our extra salt that we're using. And that's it. Some of that chicken-based seasoning, y'all. Okay. So that's a little secret. Don't tell nobody, y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to fold that in some more just in case I didn't mash it in enough. I'm going to fold it in more like that. Ooh, y'all look at them. Look at them potatoes. Some perfect, nice potatoes with bacon in there, y'all. Get that little taste for good measure. Y'all want some? Here you go, sugar. Okay, y'all, this is the end result of my creamy garlicky bacon mashed potatoes with rolls and my Alfredo and spinach chicken breast. So I hope y'all try this recipe. If you do, let me know. And look, the potato skins, and you see the bacon all through it and everything. So yeah, this is the end result, y'all, of it. If y'all try, please let me know. And let me know what y'all think about it. Peace, love, and many, many blessings to each and every one of you guys. And until next time, enjoy.